Hi, welcome to Alwala's General Knowledge. Today we discuss some general knowledge bits which are related to competitive exams and also quiz programs. First, number one, UNESCO headquarters located in UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. It is one of the associate organizations of UNO. This UNESCO headquarters is located in Paris, France. It was established in 1946. This organization working for on the development of education, science and technology, culture, all these aspects point of view, one organization was established in Paris, France. It is working or associating with UNO. This organization is giving also Kalinga Award. Money is sponsored, Kalinga Award money is sponsored by Orissa government, but award is decided by UNESCO. And also UNESCO is preparing every year World Heritage Map. World Heritage Map. So many Indian places are identified this UNESCO's World Heritage Map. From 1983 onwards, in our country, some places are identifying first World Heritage place in our country is Taj Mahal in 1983. So many after that, so many places identified by UNESCO in that World Heritage Map. Kalinga Award, you remember, and also World Heritage. UNESCO is trying to develop education in member countries. It is located in Paris. Paris is the capital of France, famous for this. Paris is famous for Eiffel Tower. It is located on the banks of Seine River. In that place, this UNESCO organization headquarters is located. Next, question number 2. Kudankulam in Tamil Nadu is famous for atomic power plant or nuclear power plant. India has some nuclear power plants. Kudankulam is also one nuclear power plant or atomic power plant. It is seventh atomic power plant in our country. Actually, first atomic power plant in India is Tarapur. It was started in 1969. But Kudankulam was the latest power plant. It was started by Russia President Vladimir Putin because it was established with the collaboration or with the help of Russia. In this place, two nuclear reactors are working. India is very less power is producing through nuclear power, but we have been developing our nuclear power plants. That's why Kudankulam, one seacoast town in Tamil Nadu, in this place, this atomic power or nuclear power is working. Okay, that is remember. We are producing nuclear power or atomic power through uranium. In our country, we are using nuclear fuel is uranium. That point remember, Kudankulam is very famous for nuclear or atomic power plant. Next, third question is National Defence Academy. National Defence Academy is located in Khadakwasla near Pune. It is very big National Defence Academy. Compared to in South Asian countries, it is very big. More than 8,000 across area covered this academy. Either a person is selected army or navy or air force, whatever it may be, that person must be basic training is getting from where this National Defence Academy. India's prestigious defence academy, that is National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla. Basic foundation course, officers point of view is available National Defence Academy. After that, army people go to Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. Air Force people, Indian Air Force Academy, that is in Hyderabad. Indian Naval Force Academy, Panaji, Goa. These three places, three different force academies are there, but common all forces, all armed forces purpose one academy is there, that is National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla, Pune. Next, fourth one, United States Open or US Open Grand Slam tennis tourney is conducted at It is conducted every year at New York. So many cities are there in America, but it is conducting in New York. Total 4 Grand Slam tournaments are conducting in this world. First one is Australian Open, second one is French Open, third Wimbledon Open, fourth one is US Open. Every year in the world, 4 Grand Slam tournaments are conducting. In the month of January or February, Australian Open is conducting. In the month of May or June, French Open tournament is conducted. In the month of June or July, Wimbledon Open tournament is conducted. In the month of August or September, this US Open Grand Slam tournament is conducted in New York. Okay, Australian Open in Melbourne, French Open in Paris, Wimbledon Open in London, and US Open is in New York. One of the oldest Grand Slam tournaments in the world is US Open. It is conducted on hard court. Courts are 3 types generally in the world using. Australian Open and US Open both are conducted on hard court. French Open is conducting on clay court. Wimbledon is on grass court. Those courts remember and places where conducting remember. Okay. Next. President of India nominates how many members to Parliament? Our President of India nominates some members to our Parliament. Our President nominates total 14 members to our Parliament. Not 12, not 2. Total 14 members. 12 members he nominates to Rajya Sabha and 2 members Anglo-Indians to Lok Sabha. That's why total 14 members. President nominates how many members to Rajya Sabha means that is 12. How many members to Lok Sabha means answer is 2. But total here mentioned Parliament. That's why answer is 14. Different field personalities like science and technology, arts, literature, social work, different categories people who are nominated by the President to Rajya Sabha. Those members are 12. But Anglo-Indian category people, only 2 members are nominated by the President to Lok Sabha. That is, remember, total 14 persons are nominated by the President to our Parliament. Next, first Indian talkie film Alam Ara was directed by Ardeshir M. Irani. In 1931, this is the first talkie film of our country. It was made in Hindi language. This movie was directed by Ardeshir Irani. But first film of our country is Raja Harishchandra, that is in 1913, directed by Dada Saheb Phalke. That's why Dada Saheb Phalke is called as father of Indian film industry. Raja Harishchandra is a silent movie. Okay, it is a talkie movie. That is Mookie movie or silent movie. That movie directed by Dada Saheb Phalke in 1913. That's why Dada Saheb Phalke is the father of Indian film industry. But first talkie film, that language is Hindi. Okay, Ardeshir Irani directed in 1931. That point remember. Next, Central Drug Research Institute is located in Lucknow or Lucknow. Drug research. This research institute is also very famous recent days. That's why you remember. Suppose National Virology Institute is located in Pune. That is called NIV, National Institute of Virology. National Chemical Laboratory is also located in Pune, NCL. National Physical Laboratory located in New Delhi. Some scientific research institutes we must concentrate. Here, Central Drug Research Institute. Lucknow has so many other research institutes. Sugar Research Institute also located in Lucknow. Drug Research Institute, Botanical Research Institute. So many research institutes are located. Hyderabad and Lucknow are very famous for research institutes. Hyderabad, NGRA, National Geophysical Research Institute, CCMB, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, IICT, Indian Institute of Chemical Technology. So many research institutes are located in Hyderabad and Lucknow also. But here Central CDRI, Drug Research Institute, is located in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Next, World Health Day is observed on April 7th. Every year, all over the worldwide, people observe April 7th is World Health Day or International Health Day. Why this date choose? On this day in 1948, World Health Organization, WHO, was started. In 1948, on April 7th, World Health Organization was started, WHO was started. That's why the day is observed all over the world, World Health Day. Because of this World Health Organization, so many diseases totally eradicated, and also so many diseases are controlled by this WHO. Smallpox, because of this organization work, okay, smallpox was removed entire the world. It is controlling AIDS also. That is World Health Organization. It is located in Geneva, Switzerland. World Health Organization is located in Geneva, Switzerland. Next, ninth one, fundamental duties are borrowed from which country? Fundamental duties are borrowed from Russia or former USSR. Actually, whenever we wrote our constitution in 1950, at the time we had no fundamental duties. But in 1976, through 42nd Amendment Act, we added some duties to our constitution. Before 1976, any fundamental duties were not mentioned in our constitution. 1976, through 42nd Amendment Act, fundamental duties were borrowed from Russia. According to Swaran Singh Committee recommendations, Swaran Singh Committee was appointed in 1973 by Indira Gandhi government. According to his recommendations, duties were borrowed and mentioned in our constitution. In 1976, our duties were 10. Present duties are 11. Present in our constitution, 11 duties are there. Article 51A is mentioned, or it was mentioned for fundamental duties. Total 11 duties are mentioned under Article 51A. That is, remember, Russia, remember, and also how many duties are there present? 11 duties. 11th duty is, that is, parents must send their children to school. It is compulsory. That is parent responsibility to send their children to school up to 14 years of age. That was added in 2001. Okay, whenever right to primary education was added to our constitution, that time this duty was also added. Next, most fertile soil in India is alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is the most fertile soil, and it means high yielding capacity is there. The soil is maximum located Indo-Gangetic Delta. It means Ganga River Basin area. Indo means Sindhu River Basin. Between Sindhu and Ganga River, okay, that area, it means particularly Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, okay, West Bengal, some areas, all these areas, and our coastal Andhra Pradesh, all these places, okay, this alluvial soil, maximum area covered soil at present situation also alluvial soil. Okay, sufficient potash, less phosphorus is available in the soil. The soil is useful for, okay, rice, sugarcane. North India, sugarcane is producing. West Bengal, rice is producing. In coastal Andhra Pradesh, rice producing. In Punjab, wheat is producing. This is very good fertile soil in our country. These are main points, remember. Okay, thank you.